How to access blog using the new Awaken180 app. First, navigate to the home page in your app. Tap on the More icon at the lower right corner. Tap on Content Library. Tap on Blog. You can scroll down to explore more blog content. Or, you can filter the blog's category by tapping the funnel icon located at the upper right-hand corner. Once the category filter page will pop up, you can search the blog's category by typing it in the search box. You can also select one or multiple categories by checking the checkbox of the category you are looking for. Tap on the Apply button below, and it will display the blogs you are looking for. You can also scroll down to view more content pertaining to the category. Simply tap on the blog you'd like to read, and it will take you to our website for the full article. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.